Welcome to the complete Adobe Firefly beginner guide. In this guide, we will focus on getting started and using Firefly with all of its features. First, head to Adobe Firefly at firefly.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe account. It's free to use, but you can also choose to pay for additional features. If you have an Adobe paid plan, you already get the premium version of Firefly. If you're not paying for a subscription, the free version will give you 25 generative credits per month. For $5 per month, you'll get 100 credits and access to Adobe fonts without the watermark. On the Firefly interface, you can simply type in a prompt and it will generate an image based on what you typed. You can also use other models and AI tools like generative fill, text effects, or create vectors. Enter your prompt to generate an image. You can type the prompt in any language. It will take a couple of seconds to generate the first image. You can switch between previewing all 4 generated images, or click on the icon at the bottom right to switch to the full view of one image at a time. For the generated images, you have several options. Download the image by clicking on Download. Click on a link to share it. This will link the image to Firefly, where users will have the option to further edit and adjust the generated image. Open it in Adobe Express. Submit it to the Firefly gallery, where a lot of people could potentially see it. You can also mark it as a favorite. Access your favorite Firefly creations by clicking on Favorites in the top navigation of the homepage. On the left-hand side, you can change the aspect ratio of an image, such as landscape, portrait, square, or widescreen. When changing the aspect ratio, you can regenerate the image to match the new ratio. You can also change the content type between photorealistic or art, which is a more creative approach. Use the visual intensity slider, set to 50% by default, to adjust the amount of detail and complexity in the generated images. You can change the style by uploading an image to match its style. Drag and drop the image into the user interface, and Firefly will try to match the art style. Alternatively, use the Reference and Effects feature to match another preset style from Firefly. When hovering over the generated images, click on Edit to open a drop-down menu with options including Generate Similar to generate 3 similar images to the one you chose, Generative Fill. This will allow you to highlight parts of the generated images and insert, remove, or change the content entirely. You can also expand on the generated images, just like we do with Photoshop Generative Fill. Enter what to change or insert the new image as a prompt, and a couple of options will be shown for you to select. You can keep any of those changes or cancel the change to your original image. Use the style of the image as a reference for future generated images. It will become available in the reference section of your user interface on the left-hand side. You can also add text, add shapes and graphics, and more. I suggest playing around with the edit options for the generated images. On the left-hand side, you can also change the strength slider, set to 50% by default. This adjusts the strength of the style you chose for your image. A new feature is the Effects panel, where you can select one of the effects. These effects will be applied the next time you generate an image, and will appear as newly added tags below your image. You can also adjust the color and tone of your images. Options include black and white, cool tone, monochromatic, and so on. Additionally, you can change the camera angle of your generated images. Experimenting with the camera angle can lead to some interesting and fun results. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.